Hello, good morning, my dear children. Welcome to the St. Joseph English Medium School, Vijaypur. Today we are going to learn the lesson number 9, the challenge to conquer, that is Pandit Puttraj Gawai. This is a very interesting lesson, children. In this lesson, we are going to see how the Pandit Puttraj Gawai, a life of a Pandit Puttraj Gawai. Okay, children, open the page number 106. Okay, children, see children. Look at the photograph. He is a person without an eyesight, a tried means dressed in a plain dhoti and spotless clean khadi full shirt with a lace turban adorning his head, vibhuti, sacred ash on his forehead, a sandal tilak between the eyebrows, and a braille wristwatch on the left hand. He has a rosary of Rudrakshi around his neck. He is playing on the veena. Can you guess who the person is? Yes, you have guessed it right, children. It is none other than the legendary, means very well known for a long time. That is legendary musician Pandit Puttraj Gawai. A picture of deep simplicity. The word Gawai means a great singer. Puttraj Gawai is a Vagyakari. Vagyakari means composer. He has contributed new ragas to the world of music. Yes, children. In this slide, it has been a description given about the Pandit Puttraj Gawai. What kind of person he was? He was a very simple man, and he was dressed. Tried means he was dressed in a plain dhoti and a spotless, clean khadi full shirt with a lace turban adorning his head. Yes, he was wearing a turban around his head and a vibhuti on his forehead and a sandal tilak between the eyebrows and a braille wristwatch. See, children, I have shown the picture of the braille wristwatch. It is a braille wristwatch. Okay, he has a rose of Rudrakshi round his neck and is playing on a veena. He is known as a legendary musician. Legendary musician, well known for a long time, very famous musician. That is Pandit Puttraj Gawai. Deep simplicity means was a very simple and high thinking man. Yes, Pandit Puttraj Gawai was a very simplicity man. The word Gawai means a great singer. Gawai means a great singer. Yes, Pandit Puttraj Gawai is a Vagyakari. Vagyakari means he is a composer and he has contributed and created new ragas to the world of music. He has composited many ragas and music to the world. Okay, children, let us come to the next paragraph. He is a legendary musician, a vocalist, a gifted writer, a playwright, an instrumentalist, an ardent lover of music, a proprietor, a director, and a poet, all rolled into one. He dedicated his entire life for educating the visually challenged and destitute children. Though he was an embodiment of knowledge, he considered himself Putta. Putta means small in everything. His dedication to his Guru was great, and it speaks of his great humility. Humility means being very humble. Yes, in this slide, he is a very legendary musician, very well-known, famous musician. Vocalist means he used to write the vocalist means he used to write a gifted writer, playwright, dramas and everything. An instrumentalist, he used to play all kind of instrument like it tabla, veena, sayat, sahnai, shehnai, everything. And he's a very ardent lover of music, means he's very fond of music. And a proprietor means owner, and a director and a poet means all in one he was. And it is dedicated his life in educating visual challenged. Visual challenge means the person who does not see. For them we call him visual challenged person. And destitute children means very poor children who does not have anything to survive. For those people, he dedicated his entire life. Though he was an embodiment of knowledge, he was having a lot of knowledge, and he considered himself as a very small, that is Putta. So he called him as a Puttaraji Gawai. His dedication to his Guru was great. He was very dedication towards his Guru, and it speaks of being a very great humility. He means he was very humble to his Guru also. So he was a very simple and a high thinking man. Okay, he used to help for the poor people and visually challenged people, and he was all in one. He was a legendary musician, vocalist, gifted writer, playwright, and instrumental, and above all this, he was an ardent lover of music. So this kind of man, the Pandit Puttraj Gawai, he was having a lot of knowledge, but he considered himself as a Putta. Putta means small in everything. Okay, come to the next para. Devarhospet, a village in Hangal Taluk in Dharwad district, is a place of pilgrimage of devotees of Shiva. There lived a pious, means a religious, deeply devoted couple named Revanna and Siddhamma. A boy was born to them on 3rd of March 1914 in his mother's native place, Devgiri, near Karajgi in Haveri district. They named him Puttaya. The child was very attractive with bright eyes. The parents were very happy and their joy knew no bounds. No bound means unlimited, without any boundary. Their parents were very happy. Yes, the Pandit Puttraj Gawai was born in Devgiri near Karajgi, Haveri district. Okay, his parents used to live in Devar Hospet, a village in Hangal Taluk in Dharwad district, a place of pilgrimage of devotees of Shiva. Pilgrimage means a religious place where the Lord Shiva used to stay there. The parents were very devotees towards the Lord Shiva. They were pious, means religiously deeply. The parents' name was, father name was Revanna and mother name was Siddhamma. And he was born on 3rd March 1914 in his mother's native place, Devgiri near Karajgi, Haveri district. They named him Puttaya. The child was very attractive with bright eyes. The parents were very happy and their joy knew no bounds. Means the parents were very happy and they were very, without the boundary, unlimited, they were very happy. Okay, children. Next, but Providence had made a different game to play. When Puttaya was not even 6 months old, his eyes became infected. The condition of the child aggravated meant increased, and the mother tried various medicines and suggested by native doctors. One suggestion proved to be deadly in his losing his eyesight at an early age. This was a very big blow to the family. Misfortune struck him in succession. Puttaya lost his eyes Puttaya lost his father when he was just 2 years old. Yes, children. But Providence means the faith had a different game to play. When Puttaya was not even 6 months old, his eyes got infected and his condition has been increased. And his mother tried many various medicines told by the native doctors. Then one suggestion had happened, it became very deadly and he lost his eyes at a very early age. This was a very big blow and very bad to the family. And even misfortune continues it in him. When he was only 2 years old, his father also died. When Puttraj Gawai was only just 2 years old, he lost his father also. This is what the early childhood, what happened in the life of Pandit Puttraj Gawai. His maternal uncle Chandrasekharaya took him under his care. Then came upon turning point in the life of Puttaya. One day Chandrasekharaya had been to his field. The boy Puttaya was very sure that nobody was nearby and took his uncle's harmonium and sat down to play on it. After some time, returning home, Chandrasekharaya heard from a distance someone playing his harmonium. He instantly flew into rage and he could not tolerate others handling his harmonium. He came closer. He was filled with wonder and delight when he heard the sweet melody on the harmonium. It was his nephew Puttaya. Tears of joy rolled down his cheeks and he embraced the boy. Yes, children, in this para, when he lost his father, when he lost his father Puttaya, his maternal uncle means his father's brother that is Chandrasekharaya took care of him. Yes, this became the turning point in the life of Puttraj Gawai. Means one day what happened when Chandrasekhar has been to his field, the boy in the house was very alone. Puttaya was very alone at home. He saw that nobody was at his home. Then what he did is he took his uncle's harmonium and started playing a song on it. Okay, and playing with the harmonium. So at once when Chandrasekhar was coming back from field, he heard from a distance someone playing his harmonium. He instantly flew, means he immediately came into rage. Rage means anger. That Chandrasekhar was not, he could not tolerate others to handle his harmonium. So when he came closer, he was filled with wonder. Wonder means very happy and delight that a sweet melody on the harmonium. So it was none other than Puttaya. He saw that Puttaya was playing his harmonium and playing very melodiously. Then tears of joy rolled down his cheeks and he embraced the boy. Chandrasekharaya felt very happy and he was joyed that Puttaya was playing such a melodious song and he embraced the body and he hugged the boy and he was very happy that Puttaya was playing very nice and melodious music. Next, Puttaya grasping power was a matter of wonder to Chandrasekharaya. He learnt everything about music within a shorter time from his maternal uncle. But it was evident means observable or noticeable, that was in an unquenchable means that unappeasable means that which cannot be satisfied, thirst for knowledge. The uncle thought of competent teacher to teach him. He took him to Panchakshri Gawai, the pontiff of Veerashwara Punyashram, under the paternal care and expert guidance of Panchakshri Gawai. Puttaya mastered both Hindustani and Carnatic music and soon became Ubayagana Visharad. Puttaya also learned to play many musical instruments such as veena, the tabla, the mridangam, the dilruba, the shahnai, and the sarang, and was recognized as an outstanding musician. He attained a high degree of master all of them. See, children, I have shown the picture of all the instruments, musical instruments, that is Sidara, Dilruba, Veena, Saroda. And I have shown the picture of Panchakshri Gawai, the guru of Pandit Puttaraj Gawai. See, children, Puttaya's grasping power was very wonder. Yes, he learned basic knowledge, basic music knowledge from his maternal uncle, that is Chandrasekharaya. But it was evident, it was noticeable that there was a thirst, that is Puttraj Gawai was interested to learn more of knowledge of music. So the uncle thought to competent means to give him a correct guidelines over a music. So to teach him. So he took him to the Pandit Panchakshri Gawai. The pontiff means priest of Veerashwara Punya Ashrama. Yes, he took him to the Pandit Panchakshri Gawai, Veerashwara Punya Ashram, under the paternal care and expert guidance of Panchakshri Gawai. Puttraj mastered. He learned both Hindustani and Karnataka music and also became a Ubayagana Visharada. And he also learned to play many musical instruments. See children, Sitara, Dilruba, Veena, Mridangam, and was recognized as an outstanding musician. He attained a high degree of master all of them. Yes, he soon uh, he soon learned to play all the musical instruments under the guidance of Pandit Panchakshri Gawai, and also he learned both Hindustani and Karnataka music. So this is what Pandit Puttraj Gawai learned the music from the Pandit Panchakshri Gawai, the pontiff of Veerashwara Punyashrama. Next, his guru Pandit Panchakshri Gawai also initiated him to the study of literature. He arranged for the teachings of celebrated works like Sabara Shankara Vilasa, Rajshekara Vilasa, Gemini Bharata. Puttai also learned Braille, the script of visually challenge. Having mastered Kannada, Hindi and Sanskrit, Pandit Puttraj authored over 80 outstanding works, which includes Puranas, biographies, drama, commentaries, and text on music. Yes, Pandit Panchakshri Gawai initiated means advise him means he initiated means he requested him to study the literature, and also he made them the arrangement of the works like Sabara Shankara, Vilasa Rajshekara, and the Gemini Bharata. And he also learned the Braille, the script of visually challenge. It's a Braille script for the blind people. It's a one kind of script. Also, he learned that also Braille script also, and he have also mastered over Kannada, Hindi, and Sanskrit. And he wrote 80 outstanding works, which includes Puranas, biographies, dramas, commentaries, and text on music. Okay, children. Next comes. Yes, notable among them are the plays Sri Kumareshwara Kavya, Akka Mahadevi Purana, Sati Sukanya, Puratana Puraba, Sharana Bashveshwara Purana, Guru Sudha, and Sangeeta Janana are his works on music. These are the works he done on the music. His translation of Siddhanta Shikamani from Sanskrit and Basava Purana from Kannada to Hindi are commendable, means are very wonderful. His Basava Purana Hindi won the appreciation of then President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. On learning that the author was blind, the President India invited to him resident and honored him. Yes, the President that time, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, invited Puttraj Gawai to his residence and honored him because he made a translation of Basava Purana from Hindi to Kannada. It was won by the appreciation of the President of India. They say that pen is mightier than sword. It is true of Dr. Puttraj Gawai. In spite of physical disability, Pandit Puttraj Gawai achieved wonders as the editor of Panchakshari Vani, a monthly magazine. It is a great contribution in the field of Kannada and Veerashaiva literature. Pandit Puttraj set up a Natya Sri Guru Kumareshwara Poshita company, and from the money he earned provided free food, shelter and education to the disabled and the orphan. This theatre company has given innumerable performances throughout the Karnataka. Sri Shivayogi Siddharama, a play written and directed by him, earned both fame and money. Okay, children, in this para, they says that pen is mightier than the sword. Pen means the writing is very sharper than the sword. It is true, Pandit Puttraj Gawai, in spite of disability, means he was blind. Even they achieved so many things in his life, and also he became the editor of the monthly magazine, that is Panchakshari Gawai, and he was a great contribution in the field of Kannada and Veerashaiva literature. And also he set up a Natya company, Kumareshwara Poshit Natya company, and from the money he earned, he gave a food, shelter, and education to the disabled and the orphan. Disabled means physically challenged people who are handicapped. For them, he gave them a food, shelter, and education. And this theatre company has given innumerable performance throughout the Karnataka. Sri Shivayogi Siddharama, play and directed by him, earned both fame and money. Yes, the drama which is written by Pandit Puttraj Gawai, that is Sri Shivayogi Siddharama, had earned him both money and fame. It was a very wonderful drama and it earned both fame and money. Okay, children. Next, Hemareddy Mallamma and Nellore Nimbeka have been till date his most successful plays. One can assess the popularity of the play Hemareddy Mallamma from the fact that it had interrupted 376 performances in Gadag. With the profit from these plays, the company became very stable financial. With this, he purchased a 36 acre of land in Gadag, which has now become to be referred to be as Mallaman Hola. This has become a permanent source of income to the Veereshwara Punyashrama. See children, one more drama, poet, that is he written by named that Hemreddy Mallama and Nellore Nimbeka have been till date most successfully placed. Plays mean dramas. It has become more popular. That is Hemreddy Mallama uninterrupted, means without stopping it has been played for 376 performances in Gadag. With this profit, they became very financial stable. The money earned by these dramas, he purchased a 36 acre of plot of land in Gadag, now which is known as Mallamanahala. This has become a permanent source of income to the Veereshwara Punnashrama. Okay, children. Today in this video, till this it is enough, and the next video I'll continue the next lesson. Okay, children. Bye and take care and safe at home. Okay, children, let us continue the next page number 110. Next para, that is we have studied about the Pandit Puttraj Gawai, life of Puttraj Gawai. Okay, children, we'll see the next one. Today, this institution, that is Kumaranate Poshita Company, has become highly renowned and runs on a secular approach. It admits students from all the sections of society without any discrimination. It has been contributing thousands of national and international famous musicians, radio artists, music teachers, stage artists, kirtanakaras and professionals to the field of music and fine art in the country. Yes, that is the Natya company, that is made by Sri Kumareshwar Poshit Nat company, made, that is Puttraj Gawai. It has been a highly renowned. It has become very well known, famous, and it approaches secular approach. It admits all kinds of people, that is all sections of society, rich and poor, without any discrimination, caste, creed. It helps to the all kinds of people, those who are disabled and those who are physically challenged people. And the person who studied from this institution has become international and national famous musicians. They have become radio artists, music teachers, stage artists, kirtanakaras and professionals in the field of music and fine art in the country. Those the people who studied from this institution has become a famous and international famous artist. Okay, children, it admits all kinds of sections of students from the society without any discrimination. Next, the music master Puttaraj Gavai became the successor of the ashrama Veereshwara Punya Ashrama. After his guru Panchakshi Gavai died on 11th of June 1994, this ashram is specially dedicated to imparting musical knowledge to the people who are differently abled, especially the visual challenge drawn from all castes, religions and sections of the society. Today the ashram is a place of musical pilgrimage for lovers of music. Yes, the master of Pandit Puttraj Gavai became the successor of the Veereshwara Punya Ashrama. When his guru died, that is Pandit Puttraj Gavai, Panchakshi Gavai died on 11th of June 1994. Pandit Puttraj Gavai became the successor of the ashrama, that is Veereshwara Ashrama. He was became the successor of the ashrama. This ashrama specially dedicated means specially given the importance to the musical knowledge to the people who are differently able. Differently able means who are physically challenged people, especially visually challenged. Visually means those who are blind from all castes, religions and sections of the society. Today the ashram is a place of musical pilgrimage for the lovers of music. Yes, it has become the musical pilgrimage. That is Veereshwara Punya Ashram is became the pilgrimage for the music lovers. Okay, children. At the age of 97, the leading light of music, Pandit Puttraj Gavai, passed away on 17 November 2010 at Veereshwara Punya Ashram in Gadag in North Karnataka. More than 10 lakh devotees attended his funeral ceremony. He was buried at the ashrama as per the tradition and with the government honors. Yes, at the age of 19, Pandit Puttraj Gavai passed away on 17th of September 2010 at Veereshwara Punya Ashram in Gadag in North Karnataka. That is more than 10,000 devotees, 10 lakh devotees attended his funeral ceremony, and he was buried at the ashrama with the customs and tradition and with the government honor. He was buried there in the ashram only, where in the Veereshwara Punya Ashram. Still now it is there in Gadag. You can go and see it there. Okay, children. Next. Dr. Puttraj Gavai has led a legendary life. His life is a saga rich with the music, literature, Shiva Puja, Shivanubhava, and other divine experience. Every moment of his life was rewarding. Even though Pandit Puttraj Gavai was blind, he was a legendary life. He led a very legendary life in the saga, means in the life with the life music, literature, and he used to do Shiva Puja, Shivanubhava, and other divine experiments. Every moment of his life was rewarding. Reward means was a very meaningful. He led his life with a meaningful. Utkarsh Gabai has been conferred with many titles and awards, and many institutions that promote art and culture, recognize talent and service to humanity. These titles and awards include President Award for Basava Puran in Hindi, Honorary Doctorate by Kannada University, Nadoja Prashasti, Kanaka Purandara Prashasti, Kendra Sangeeta Nataka Academy Award, Rajya Sangeet Vidwan by Government of Karnataka, National Award for the Betterment of Disabilities by Government of India, Nadoj Award from Karnataka University, Basavashri Award, Kalidas Samman by Government of Madhya Pradesh, and Padma Bhushan. So children, these are the awards given to the Pandit Puttraj Gavai. He is confirmed with many awards from many institutions. Okay, Basava Purana, he got honorary doctorate from Karnataka University. Okay, being a blind person, the Gavai was very famous. Okay, children. Next comes to the let's come to the last para. The story of the life of Dr. Puttraj Gavai is a lesson to all those who are physically challenged, for he could overcome his disability and reach such unimaginable heights. This physically challenged individual was a sublime, means a great and a magnificent ideal soul in word, thought and deed. Yes, this is what Pandit Puttraj Gavai lead his life in a simple way and help to the many children, destitute children, means orphan children and visually challenged people. For them he gave them a life, food and shelter and everything. He was a great musician and a legendary musician. He got many awards from the government of Karnataka and also government of India. Okay, children, this is an example for us people. Being a blind man, Patraj Gavai reached through a very unimaginable height in his life. He became a very famous musician, ardent lover of music, and he played a many instrumental, musical instrument also. Okay, children, from this lesson we learned that we should have a aim in your life and we can reach a very we can reach our goal. Okay, children, this is what the life of Pandit Puttraj Gawai. Being a blind man, he reached to a very high height in his life. Okay, children, I hope you understood the lesson. Read the lesson one or twice, again and again. Okay, children, in the next video, I'll explain the question answers. Till then, be safe at home, stay at home only, and keep social distance. Okay, children, thank you, and see you in my next video. In next video, I'll explain the question answers of this lesson. Okay, children, till then, take care and have a nice day.